So Uber reported their earnings this past week, and they reported its slowest growth bookings in over a year, leading to a stock decline. However, the company managed to edge past quarterly profit estimates. This suggests that while Uber is facing some headwinds in terms of growth, it's making progress in terms of profitability. Nevertheless, the slow growth could be attributed to various factors, including market saturation, increased competition, and changes in consumer behavior post-pandemic. Now, this is the monthly chart, and you have this massive W pattern. And typically what happens, prices typically always retest the apex of that W pattern, and it worked out to the T. Scroll down to the weekly chart. That daily bias level at $55 is just underneath the apex of that W pattern, and that was a great setup to go long. As price moved higher, it gave you another opportunity. These red or blue rectangles signify daily buy levels. And so let's scroll down to the daily chart. So we have this rallying price, base and candle rally out, but this level wasn't an S setup because price never took out the pivot high to the left at the moment. Nevertheless, it did work. Why? Because prices were in an uptrend. Just look at your moving averages. They are pointing up from the left to the right. And the fact that price action held, we're going to still mark that as a level of support in the form of daily buyers at $68.50. Now, why didn't this level work? At $78. Let's examine it a bit closer. We had a gap higher on above average volume. So when price comes back in an uptrend, you want to take that long. And we did get a reaction. However, you could also say that price did form a daily sell level. Nevertheless, I still would have taken that level to go long, depending on if and when I knew earnings was going to come up. It was either going to potentially be muted, shoot up, or shoot lower. More than likely, I would have waited into earnings just to see what price was going to do. And so now we find ourselves where price is in between a daily, I'm going to take that off, a weekly sell level, and a daily sell level and a daily buy level. And so what I'm hoping for the longs is that price trickles down and you have buyers that step back in. And so here's the setup. Be mindful, you want to look for a reversal pattern on the smaller time frame, like a 4-hour chart, before blindly taking this level long. Why? Because recent price action, we saw price penetrate the zone pretty much 100%. So in theory, there are no remaining unfilled buy orders at this level. So be careful if you want to get long and you are waiting for that pullback. Again, look for a reversal pattern on the 4-hour time frame. You want to look at your volume, look at advancing higher type bars, volume bars before going long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.